Hey guys, welcome back to Tiny Kitchen Big Flavor. I wanted to bring you in quickly because I'm going to be making Yuca fries, also known as Cassava fries. And I love the frozen one because I know I can see if they're good or not. When you get the ones that are not frozen, that you got to peel, it's a hit and miss. So that's why I prefer to get them this way. Now what I do is I kind of pre-boil mine for a little bit until they get kind of tender but not falling apart. So I added a little bit of salt to this. And all I'm going to do is wait for them to get tender enough, and I'll bring you back and show you the next step. All right, guys, so I'm getting ready to pull the ones that are tender enough, and I wanted you to see that. See, my fork goes right through, but it's not falling apart. I'm going to place it here and allow it to cool off a little bit. Okay, I have cut them in the size that I want, but let me just say that you have to remove this. It's either the vein or the, I forget what else they call it, or the spine of the yuca, if you will. You have to remove those. They're in the middle, and then all I'm going to do is just cut them like you see me do here. Okay, so I changed my mind. I have decided that I am going to put them in my air fryer. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix it really well. And the seasoning there is just seasoning of your choice. You can do whatever you want. You can do garlic and pepper, black pepper, or you can do a vegetable mix seasoning like this one. Really, whatever you want. I did the Trader Joe's lemon lime seasoning mix. I'll show it to you in a minute. And I want to make sure that these are well coated. That's why you see me, I'm still, and this thing is kind of slow because I'm running out of my grapeseed oil. And then I'll put my burgers in later. But, so this is what I use, okay? All I'm going to do now is kind of mix it up. Now they're still hot, but not too hot. And then I'm going to pop them in my air fryer so they can get crispy. Great, everything fits, so I don't have to do 2 batches. All I'm going to do now is close it and let it do its thing. You may want to check it halfway through, so in case you have to turn them over and stuff. So that's what I do. I check it halfway through. Okay, guys, we're a little bit over halfway through, so let's check. And they're looking fabulous. At this point, I'm just going to stir them around a little bit, just to help them out. But look at that. They look amazing. And again, you're not cooking them all the way because they're already kind of cooked. What you're doing is getting them nice and crunchy. And that's it. Okay, guys, these guys are done. I did not give them the full 19 minutes that the air fryer presets because since they're already cooked. So I am going to take them out and I'm going to put them on here and I'll pop them in like right before I serve them because I like everything hot. But the next thing going in, it's going to be these guys. And here you have it, guys. They turned out amazing. You should give this recipe a try for sure. Hey guys, if you want to give the salmon patties a try, I will leave a link below in the description.